we have room service the first sea day, and it is beautiful. It is like glass. And we have 2 orange juice. We have coffee for 2. We have an omelet, bacon, and hash browns, and the same underneath as well. Breakfast. And we have supposed to be 2 blueberry muffins. Yay. I told you. You're really good at spotting them too, though, but I saw them from the bed.
I've trained my eyes to spot fish talent.
Come on, babies, come back up for us.
It's like I catch fish.
Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful.
It'll come back up, yes.
I don't know. Can it sit back up?
Single person.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you had a wonderful evening. I hope that you enjoyed the hospitality, the entertainment, the music on board, the activities.
The club. It's closed. The art. We're going towards the Grand Plaza. The Grand Plaza. That sounded so stupid. Hello. Little elephant. You wanna walk out here? Okay. Those lifeboats look like luxury. Luxurious. Here's World Class Bar. If it's open, let's go. It is. Let's go. I haven't been here yet. Martini Bar.
I don't agree with this.
It's so beautiful though. The bi-level seating and the little different vignettes I love. Nice. Sitting in craft social. My hubby is getting our first drink of the day. It is respectable time, 11:30 in the morning. I'm gonna have a Moscato and he's gonna have probably a Tito Sour to start the day off. We had breakfast in the room. It was wonderful. An omelet, hash browns, and bacon, and orange juice. Excuse me, and of course coffee. And we are here right now, enjoying, partaking in craft social on the Celebrity Beyond. And there he is up at the bar. I'll show you the menu again, craft social. They do offer food. I'll just leave it here and show you. It's at an additional charge here. That's our favorite. Oops, we'll go to the next. See if you can see this. You can always pause and zoom in or put your readers on, because that's what I'd have to do. And I think that is it, actually. I do like the idea that they added the game schedule. Satellite reception permitting on April 20th, 2026. And it says the games that are going to be playing. That's pretty cool. Thank you. Espresso martini. And I think you got the first one on there. Yes, yes. Carjalito or whatever. I don't want to. We don't know what it is, but I'll show you a picture. I got the espresso martini, and he got that. Carjalito, whatever, that one.
Oh.
And actually, the salted caramel martini is one of my favorites. Yeah, I remember. I think I've had that before.
Oh, try it.
So you must like it.
Try yours.
Did I offer that to you? I do not believe so.
A real big TV.
I don't
We
know.
had dinner. We sat in front of the TV like a stadium scene.
Oh, Symphony of the Seas. We are sitting at Cafe El Bacio. He has a Carjalillo. We don't know how to pronounce it. Either way, it's good.
If I read it, I can.
If I can read it, but I'm still not going to pronounce it right. So, and I am getting an espresso. Not getting. I have an espresso martini. Carajillo. We'll just say that. We'll pretend like that is the correct pronunciation for now. Later, we might pronounce it differently. And there is Cafe El Bacio. The specialty drinks and everything are at an upcharge, and the desserts and little light bites are courtesy right over in that little area. Cyprus, Cosmopolitan. We're going up. And we go up these steps and we're going to Eden. These are nice, perfect steps, by the way. A nice height. Makes it easier to go up for sure. Beautiful art. Not really. It's interesting.
It's blue.
It's blue.
It's blue.
I got Roquefort, spinach Roquefort salad with some creamy cilantro dressing, a little olive oil, red onions, and heirloom tomatoes as well. Some potato salad, and the best view on board. The aft of the ship. So beautiful. Okay, so you got a Boston lobster roll. It's a $14 upcharge for that. He says it's delicious.
He said $40.
Mm-hmm. He thought he said 40. He was like, I don't know if it's worth that. But he said 14 at Eden Cafe. I'll tell you right now, mine was all courtesy. And it is delicious. I also got a half of a chicken pesto panini sandwich. And by the way, the potato salad was delicious. Got some pog juice and some water. So good. Yeah. Yep. Oxtail soup. Stew. We got the carvery right there. It has roasted turkey, roasted vegetables. It has mashed potatoes, beef gravy, and roasted pork leg. Baked potato station as well. Also the salad bar right there. And Ryan is not at the Grilled Favorites, which is amazing, by the way. He is over at the Caribbean Buffet and the American for the crispy strips, like chicken tenders, pretty much. And that is more bakery items, hummus, crudité. Also a pasta station right here. Primarily Indian food, besides my 3 pieces of blue cheese and my pog juice as usual. And Ryan got a mixture of oxtail, hamburger, and a few things.
Curry goat.
And what?
Curry goat.
Curry goat.
I won't get close to your heartache if you won't open your door. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. You won't get closer to me if you won't open your door. If that's what you want, then And baby, try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me.
Did you have a great day? Everybody was everywhere at the buffet. I saw you many times out there. All right, well, I know you're taking advantage of every single penny you pay for this cruise. That's very good. All right. Who was here last night? Who was here last night? Make some noise. Who wasn't here last night? Make some noise. I know where you were. I know. Okay. Well, our game show is very easy. It's very easy. Okay. We have sign-ups early, like around 100 of you. I will do my best to get as many of you as possible right here on the chair. Okay. My challenge is to get you out of the chair in the no more than 20 seconds.
One more step. I can't remember if I cried when I read about his little bride. Something touched me deep inside. The day that you died.
Y'all have a good night. Y'all take care.
Bye. Mr. American Pie.
Oh, you far away, that's in my life. The sea surrender. I can say how I see this morning forever.
I won't get close to your heartache if you won't open your door. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in